one thing that matters above all else for 3D printable minis, it's the pre-supported files. When you pay for printable miniatures, whether through a Patreon or similar repository, you should reasonably expect to receive a high-quality product that just works out of the box. However, pre-supported files seem to be an afterthought for many creators, and oftentimes we're left to pick up the slack. But what if you're new to resin 3D printing for your tabletop games, and don't yet have the knowledge and skills to identify and correct the problems that riddle these files? That's why we at Six Side Media Productions Incorporated have devised a brand new rating system for your 3D printable miniatures. This revolutionary new rating system will help you navigate the busy world of Patreons and STL files, to find the creators you can count on, and weed out the ones to avoid. The system is comprised of 3 distinct and easy-to-understand tiers. And importantly, these tiers do not judge creators on their artistic merits, but rather the packaging and printability of their miniatures, measured by metrics such as distribution, organization, missing files, errors in topology, and, most importantly, the quality and dependability of their pre-supported files. You can consider these tiers as kind of a difficulty rating, from most beginner-friendly to least. The first and highest rated tier is the S tier. Creators and their miniatures in this tier you can be damn sure you can count on. Their models have been carefully and expertly pre-supported, packaged and provided conveniently, and delivered with no errors and everything you need to ensure a quality, fail-free print every time. If you're new to resin 3D printing, we highly recommend miniatures from the S tier, because if something does go wrong, you can safely rule out these files as the cause of your worries. Next, we have the A tier. Creators in the A tier again have reliable and high-quality pre-supported files, but this time not everything is rainbows and sunshine. There may be minor errors in the files that weren't addressed before release, missing conveniences like renders, .lys and .g2box files, poor file organization, or inconvenient delivery and storage methods. If you're new to resin 3D printing, don't be worried to give vendors in the A tier a go. Just be prepared to face a little resistance preparing your minis, and be sure to watch out for these errors in your slicer. Finally is B tier. In addition to the minor inconveniences of A tier, B tier creators now include major hurdles such as unsupported files, poorly pre-supported files, or significant errors in the models that require more advanced repairs with specialized 3D tools. A creator who is placed in the B tier is not recommended for beginners. Journeymen and experts be warned, you're going to need to bring your expertise and experience to get these models across the finish line.
Hello, my name is James, and this is Once in a Six Side. This channel is dedicated to bringing you the best damn videos all about 3D printing miniatures for your tabletop games. A new Patreon review is going to be up in the next couple of days, but if you want the extended and unscripted raw edition of that video, it's available right now for channel members. Oh yeah, so I made a thing. If you would like to see some bonus content, chat on Discord, as well as get all my STL files and a shout out in future videos, you can do all that by throwing your support behind me over on Buy Me a Coffee. It's basically Patreon, but way better. Thanks for subscribing, and big thanks to Tyler from Slice Print Roleplay for the amazing voiceover work in that little clip there. He absolutely fucking nailed it. So please do me a favor and check out his channel. He's a great educator for 3D printing, and without him, my print graveyard would be 50 times larger than it is. So thank you, Tyler. Thank you for watching, subscribing, and leaving comments, and cheers for the coffee. Your continued support for this channel is what keeps these videos coming. All right. I'll see you very soon, like a day or two tops, with the next Patreon review where we tackle Cyberforge miniatures. Yeah!